Hello, I'm Jason from the Deepernauts, and welcome to AtomOS 2.0. In this video, we're going to look at... Once you log into your device, scroll down to the Help tab. The first stop is DeeperGPT. This is a GPT module that you can ask some questions and get some answers. Next up is the user manual. This is a great place to learn about all the features available through all the Deeper devices. Lastly is the Tech Support tab, and the first stop on the Tech Support tab is opening a tech support ticket. Submit a request, input all the information necessary, and the Deeper Tech Support team will get back to you as soon as possible. Next up is generating a remote connection code. If Deeper support requires, you can generate a code from here, copy and paste it into the support ticket, and the Deepernauts can take a look at any problems happening on your device. Lastly are the logs. You can download logs, which is specific to your device's activity, and send to Deeper support through the ticketing system. Make sure you're subscribed to follow up on all of the new features of AtomOS 2.0 and the Deepernauts.
Deepernauts, of the users, by the users, for the users.